Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day and I gotta do some job over here. Got the post, everybody see, look that, it's all right, it's broke. And what I gotta do, I gotta dig and I gotta put a fence. Now, this is the thing, same thing with the sauce, no sweat, no fence. Okay, see this, it's broke, and what I gotta do, I gotta take it out and dig underneath to take the stump broke inside, and I got over here the new one to replace. Okay, like I say, I want to start over there first. Okay, it's right over here. All right, okay, already.
Is it a root? What is that? Is that supposed to be there?
Hey, look at this, now what he got over here. Okay, let's see how many more I got a good dip. Let me see. I gotta go more deep. Look even? A little bit more deep, huh?
Yeah, probably a little bit more.
Huh? You look very good.
Yeah.
You look very good over here too. All right, now we want to make it firm, nice. I don't use no concrete, okay? I use a stone. And before I use the stone, I want to put a little dirt on the bottle. Get out of here. Oh. Now pack it down, the dirt, to make this one straight. Good. Okay. Huh? It's nice, huh? Not bad. Look good? Huh? You gotta look good. Okay, now let's put a little dirt underneath like I did the other one. Now we pack a little bit. And we start to pour the stone to make a nice strong. It's straight, Jeremy? Look good?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Look good. Why you need a hole? Okay. This one is done. Good. Thank you. If it's good. They look nice. Okay. Today I gotta work. I gotta make this fence beautiful. Okay, now next one. Okay, now this is done. Now what I gotta do, I got over here, this one over here, look, it's broke. And I got another one over here. Look, it's broke too. And I got one at the end. Here, look that. Look, this is broke. Okay? And this you gotta come a nice straight over here. Like I say, after we take a nice picture, and we show the way I did this fence. Thank you very much, and we see at the end when everything is done. This is done. Now I want to drink a little water. All right. I want to show now the rest. What I did. Come with me. Whew. Look at this. Over here. See how nice it come out? I got this one. Come out beautiful. In this, it's all the garbage. And this other one. Okay, look this. It's all broke. Look at that. All right. What do you think? I do a good job? Well, you gotta do everything. I can cook. I can do everything. Thank you very much. We'll see next job. Thank you.